Okay. Ah, hello, Internet. I'm back with another video here. I really want to make something cool with Fibonacci. It's hard, though, because we solved it, you know? We freaking solved it already. Just discard the changes, please. Yeah, I had an issue earlier where the computer crashed or something. You know, it's just what happens when you're having fun. Okay, CD projects. Okay. So if we do GCC, we compile our Fibonacci. Let's see. Execute our file. We passed all our tests. So what do we want to do with this? You know, we were thinking about Marcus Aurelius meditations, creating some ad libs, maybe. Don't really know how Fibonacci fits into that. But we could also move on from Fibonacci and do something cool with Marcus Aurelius. I think I want to do that. So I think the purpose of this video will be to create a new file. We're going to call this Marcus Aurelius .c or meditation. I'll just do Marcus Aurelius .c. Okay. Let's create a little main function in here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then next thing I want to do is maybe we'll just do that. Okay, so what we want to do here, I think the goal is maybe like read the whole books into memory. Yeah, read the whole books into memory. And maybe just create a set of unique tokens from the text and put them into a file. Okay. So we're going to need some functions for this. So I think we're going to need to create a function maybe that returns some kind of string. We'll call this read meditations into memory. Okay. Maybe we'll give it a I don't know, char array file name. Okay. I'm kind of messing around with this char array thing because I don't really know how it works. I don't really want to mess around with pointers yet, but maybe we should, you know. Okay. And so let's just return hello world. Okay, and then let's come down here. Oh yeah, we need to oh man, how do you print in C? Necessary only standard io.h. Well, v. Okay, next thing I want to do is... Okay. Oh, that's a different language, I think. Char array meditations equals read meditations into memory. I think we named this just meditations underscore Marcus .txt. And then we're going to print f meditations. Let's just give this a shot here. Okay, so we've got, so let's try to GCC Marcus Aurelius.c and see what happens. I think we can add a -o here, but let's not. Yeah, let's just keep it simple. Oh, it doesn't like that. Okay, declare string C. Oh, I see. More technicalities, man. Per person. Like, come on. That's so annoying. I guess it's a really old compiler, you know. Okay. Create C function to return. You know what we need to do here? We need to use ChatGPT for this. Okay. How can a C function return a string? Return a string in a few different ways. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh boy. Wow, this is really helping us out here. This is really freaking helpful. Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Okay, this is really like going nuts. Okay. Oops. Let's just start. Return a pointer to a stringlet. The simplest way. Declare a function returns a pointer to a character array. Okay. Turning a dynamically allocated string. Returning a pointer to it. Here's an example. Returning a string via a pointer parameter. Okay, I guess let's do this this way. What? Okay, so what is the difference between a C string pointer and an array of characters in the C programming language? But they have some important differences. String pointer. A C string pointer is a variable that holds the memory address of the first character. Is a contiguous block of memory that stores a sequence of characters. Oh, you need to know the size. Unless you have a fixed number of them. Okay. How do you declare a C function that returns an array of characters? Return an array from a function, or you return a pointer. Okay. So we have to do this. Char star meditations. Okay, char star. Then I think we can do. Maybe how do I pass an array of characters to another function? It's here's char star. Bingo bongo. Great. Okay, let's give this a shot. Wow, ChatGPT, you're pretty amazing for that. Okay. Doesn't like that. Oh, it likes having the square brackets after the variable name. The format, not a string literal, and no format arguments. Wait, oh, invalid initializer. Okay. What is an invalid initializer in C? Rules of valid. Oh, okay. How I assign a character pointer to. How do I assign a character pointer to? How do I assign a character pointer to an array of characters? Vary. You assign a character pointer to str copy. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's just do this then. Excuse me. Okay, let's try format not a string literal. Excuse me. Percent as citations. Oopsies. Okay. Okay, there we go. We got our hello world. Okay. So now let's read a file. How to read a file in C. Fopen, fread, fclose functions. Files. File pointer. Standard.io.h, which we already imported. Read content from the file. Oh, okay. This is pretty clutch. Regenerate. Okay. So file. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Let's just do a little copy paste here. And then, okay. Okay. Got this buffer here. I'm going to open the file in read mode. Let's do file name here. Okay. Okay, so we're going to read if opening, maybe opening the meditations file. Return. Maybe that. Okay, so this is where the magic happens, and we say half gets buffer size of buffer is not null, and we're going to. Oh, this is tricky, man. How do we dynamically allocate or dynamically grow a string in C? How? Okay. How to dynamically grow a string in C. Malloc. Char star. Standard in. Oh boy. Okay, so this is getting pretty hard. Okay. Okay. Huh. Okay. So remove the new line character from the input. Oh wow, this is gonna be hard, man. I'm so new to C. That's okay though. That's why this is fun. It's learning. Okay, let's see. Declare a string pointer str and initialize it to null. F gets into the buffer array. We remove the new line character from the input by placing it. The null terminator. If string is null, we use str_dup to allocate memory and copy the contents of buffer into it. Okay. If our string is null, initialize str_dup. str_dup C. What is that? Sure. Give me this. Okay. All right. What is it? It gives a char star. Okay, so the parameter is a pointer to the null terminated byte string to duplicate. Return value is a pointer to the newly allocated string or a null pointer if an error occurred. Oh, so all it's doing is duplicating the string. Okay, so we have a buffer that's reading in input, and then we want to essentially add on to that. Okay, otherwise, if our string is not null, temp realloc. Wow, this is crazy. I have no idea how any of this works. I love it. Okay, realloc C. Oh, wow. Okay. Realloc. What is this? Given area. Expanding or contracting the existing area pointed to by PTR if possible. Oh, cool. Okay, so we have realloc. We also have malloc. Uninitialized storage. Maybe we just use malloc. Okay. Let's try just using malloc. Okay. Alright, forget a lot of this. So we have our buffer thing. Let's just say, how do we do this? Holy moly. Okay, so let's say char star meditations equals, I think, malloc and then let's just say maybe the size of the buffer. That's a good idea. So we have 100. Malloc 100 times size of rate char. Okay. Okay. So we're going to malloc that. That's our pointer. Holy moly. So we have the pointer now. This is, see, I thought we weren't going to get into pointers, but I think we are. I should probably be explaining all this, but I need to hear some feedback from everybody in the comments. I want to make something cool with you guys or with y'all. But we'll get there. Excuse me, we'll get there. It's just gonna take some time, and that's okay. I got a lot of that. Okay. All right. So we allocated it. Okay. So we allocated all the memory. So give us 100 characters worth of memory. Start off our pointer at the beginning. Let's get going. That's what they said. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? Excuse me. Let's try something here. Let's say, meditations, okay, which is the pointer. Or actually, let's say 0 I is less than 100 plus I. Okay, we're going to say copy it over, essentially. Which I think we can do with stir copy, right? Let's see here. Stir copy and see. Okay, come back here, ChatGPT. Describe stir copy and see. String copy. Oh, great. Oh my gosh, that's so much easier than what I was just about to do. Heck yeah. Thanks, standard library. Stir copy. Is that a string.h? Yep, it is a string.h. Hash include string.h. Whoops. Okay. All right, we're going to do stir copy. Was it destination and source? Okay. So we'll say meditations and then buffer. Okay. And then let's just break from the loop on the first iteration. And then we will return meditations. All right, let's see if this even compiles. Hold on. So we'll compile it. Yeah, let's break up the steps. Oh, malloc, you need standard lib.h. Okay. Okay, all right, so hash include stdlib.h. All right. Oh, look at that. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, is this 100 characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 37. It's only 41. Okay, that's interesting because we have a buffer of 100. Is that the size in bytes? 100 bytes, you know? Okay. You know what? Let's say char star buffer equals malloc 100 times size of char. Okay. Oh wow, that's even shorter. Sorry for picking my nose. It's kind of gross. Whatever. That's so interesting. Size of. Describe the size of function in C. It's an operator rather than a function. Is common for just function, just functionality. Operator. Oh, it's an operator, not a function. So it's like really optimized, probably. Size underscore T. Data types. Well, what's the unit? Is the unit bytes? Is the size? Does the size? What? Okay, maybe what units of measurement does the size of operator in C return? Turns its operand in bytes. This means the result is units of bytes. Turn the size of the integer in bytes. Okay, and then malloc, excuse me, Allocate size bytes of uninitialized storage. So this is interesting. So our buffer here, we're saying we're allocating 100 characters. 100 of the characters. um and but when we run it, we're only getting 4, 5, 6, 7. Only getting 7 in there. fgets buffer, size of buffer. All right, fgets. We need help with fgets. Describe the fgets function in C. It is used for reading a line of text from a file stream char star str. The pointer to an array of characters where the string read is stored, and maximum number of characters to be read. Oh, somehow this buffer is smaller. All right, let's try this. Control C, Control V. Interesting. It said the size of the buffer. Oh, and it was a byte. Maybe because the buffer was empty. Oh, that's so confusing. Okay, you know what? You know what? That's okay. Line of text, file stream. How to read from a file by buffer size. Fread. Is this with fread? No, I want to see with. Number of bytes into the buffer. Describe the fread function. Okay. No. Okay. Fread, a PDR, pointer to the buffer, the data read will be stored. Number in bytes of each element to be read. Number of elements to read. Oh my goodness. Pointer to a file object that identifies the file stream from which to read. Fread buffer. So read 10 elements of size 10 bytes each from the file into the buffer. Wow. Okay, but what's the best way to read an entire file into memory in C? Open it in binary mode. Determine the size using fseek and ftell. Allocate memory dynamically to hold the entire content of the file using malloc. This sounds prone to hacking. Like what if somebody had a huge like terabyte file and they're like, hey, C function, read this file until it's over. And then you get a Stack Overflow. Anyways, I kind of like the idea of just doing a fgets buffer at a time, Um, so, okay. So, how do we reallocate then? Realloc was what we were going to use. Describe realloc in C. Realloc prototype pointer in size. Previously allocated memory block or a null pointer. If pointer is a null pointer, realloc behaves like malloc. Allocates size. On success, returns a pointer to newly allocated memory. Here's an example. Okay. Okay, I'm curious. I'm very, very curious, okay? Okay. This is crazy, man. I don't know what I'm doing. But I like it. It's fun. Okay, man, I like 100. Okay. You know what? Let's say here, int number of characters equal 100 times size of char. Okay, Dorian. Okay. Yo. Um. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. All right. Here's the idea. Char star buffer equals null, maybe. Okay. And then we're gonna say. Okay. Oopsies. Our buffer's not going to change. This is going to change. Okay, and then the next thing is... Okay, the next thing is... Starting to get tired. Yeah, we're going to do realloc. Then I think meditations. Oopsies. And then I think we want to do number of characters or something like that. And then we're going to do... How do we do it again? probably be number of character bytes, size of amount of bytes, amount of character. It's gonna be right. Reallocate that. And then we'll say amount character bytes. We are gonna double it. Is that what we're gonna do? No, we're just gonna add 100 times size of char. Okay. And then let's try that. Ooh. Oh, the pointer needs to be turned into. So you say meditations equals. Whoa. Nothing happened. Oh, man. Does realloc wipe old data? When resizing a memory block, depends. Memory block, copy. If there is not enough contiguous space, may allocate new. Copy into a block. Okay, so realloc, huh? Alright, printf %s meditations. Okay, yo, give me some sign of life. Oh my gosh. Did it do it? Oh my gosh, look at all that. Okay, that's pretty quick, man. Per person. Why am I not getting, why is it not getting it at the end? Oh my goodness. What in the heck? Oh, is it because it's just each line? It's kind of what it's starting to look like. Yeah, dude. He allocates 10 times the size of int PTR amount of character bytes 100 times size of char. Okay, maybe I'm missing something here. Sometimes a wise person once told me if you don't have those parentheses, you're in trouble. I still don't know why it's not working. Print F. Hello, yo. Percent S. Or percent D, I think. No. Okay. Character bytes. Dude, that's massive. Dude, okay, it's working. Did I even need to do that? Oops. What? Come on. Whoopsies. Yeah, I didn't need to do that. I think it's something with the realloc. Realloc meditations. Break. Okay. Yo. Hello, yo. 200. Okay. If amount of character bytes is greater than 1,000, then break. Oh. Yo. Extravaganzas. What? Holy moly, I am so lost as to what's going on. Okay, I think we better call it here. Well, thanks everyone for joining me. Yeah, if you have any pointers or tips or anything, I would love some help. But I'm seriously having some fun with this. This is a good time. So, yeah. If you're so inclined, please leave a comment, or if you liked the video, or even if you disliked it, please, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want. I'm doing this for fun, and yeah, we'll see you maybe tomorrow when I have some coffee that I brewed and roasted. All right, take care, internet, and I hope y'all are okay out there.